This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken hummus. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for both the hummus and the chicken. You will need 1 can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and 1 fresh lemon. For the chicken, prepare 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs. Don't forget your olive oil, garlic, cumin, and fresh parsley to enhance the flavors of this delicious dish. Now, let's create that wonderfully creamy hummus. Begin by thoroughly draining and rinsing your 1 can of chickpeas. Next, combine the chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, the fresh juice from 1 lemon, and 1 clove of minced garlic in a food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1/4 cup of cold water. Blend everything until it reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, scraping down the sides as needed. Moving on to the chicken, which adds a fantastic protein boost to our hummus. Cut your 1 pound of chicken breast or thighs into 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. Season the chicken generously with 1 teaspoon of cumin, along with salt and black pepper to taste. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, then sauté the chicken pieces until they are fully cooked through and lightly golden brown, about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your homemade chicken hummus. Spread the creamy hummus evenly onto a serving plate or into a shallow bowl, creating a nice base. Artfully arrange the perfectly cooked chicken pieces over the hummus. Drizzle with a little extra olive oil, sprinkle with fresh parsley, and perhaps a dash of paprika for color. Also, check the description below for a link to an amazing book that can truly change how you think about money and other great deals. Serve immediately with warm pita bread or fresh vegetables. Enjoy this flavorful and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.